Hey guys, what's going on? Today I just picked up the Astro A40, the tournament editions, the new ones that came out this year. I already had the tournament editions, the older ones, the white ones for Xbox. Those are great, but I want to see if this is worth an upgrade. So I haven't been able to find any videos comparing this to the previous generation. So I'm going to do my own comparison and then get back with you guys. So let's go ahead and box this baby open. Alright, as usual, we have this section opens up here, that opens up there, and then this section opens up here with your normal stuff. So this probably saying you need to do a firmware update. These are the headphones themselves. So not really anything new here, just maybe some new colors. And the same thing here, this comes off. Updated mix amp. Definitely think this looks better than previous versions. Same soft touch rubber on the bottom, that's going to keep it grippy on your desk. And basically the same inputs, optical, the old-fashioned FireWire, which is what how you link these two together. USB, PC, PS4. I don't have a PS4. I'm just going to use it on PC, but I wanted the blue. Auxiliary, stream out, and that's basically it. You have your equalizer modes, and then your Dolby digital on and off. Then in here you just have your microphone. Looks like it's the same mic as before. Put that there. And yep, this guy's just gonna go here. And then the mix amp to the rest of it. So that's basically it, guys. What's nice in here though is what they give you an optical cable, so you don't have to buy one. That's a pretty thick optical cable too, so that's pretty nice. Your little interconnect cable, which is a old-fashioned FireWire 400, for those of you who remember that, and long USB cable, long cable, and then your actual auxiliary cable. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know.